You know, I am your mother. And there is no way I can give you bad advice. I want you to send this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house.
Mother, what's wrong with you? And why are you talking like this?
You are just a child and stop being naive. Now let me ask you. This woman owns this house, yes or no?
Mother, she owns the house.
Good. How many years have you been married?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yes, mother.
Un, deux, trois.
Yes, mother.
Bon. The last question. Combien des enfants tu as? You're looking at me? How many children do you have?
None.
Rien. D'accord. Now listen to me carefully. I want you to know that this marriage is the only property you and I have in this world. So we have to do everything possible to protect it. Tu comprends? Huh?
No.
No?
No.
You don't understand?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me explain to you further. Ce moment, tu ne travailles pas. Et en même temps, tu n'as pas des enfants avec votre mari. You don't have a job and you don't have children with your husband. Look here, baby girl. The fact that your husband hasn't complained doesn't mean he will not complain. Very soon he will get bored and will start complaining. And knowing very well that blood is thicker than water, believe you me, baby girl, that woman won't stand by you. She will throw you out.
Mother. Mother. Why are you saying all these things to me? Why?
Okay. If you think it's a lie, keep on staying with her. Oh, keep on staying with her if you think it's a lie. I know very soon you come to me for help. But don't wait until it's too late. Okay, Nadia. Send this woman out of this house. Throw this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house before she throws you out. Okay. I'm leaving.
Mr. Adam, we can't chase you for our money all the time. Are you not ready to pay the rest?
I will. I will.
We give you two more days. 2 more days. Or else, what you ask her to do to Mr. Frempong, we do the same to you. 2 more days, Mr. Adam. 2 more days. I'll come calling. Mr. Adam. 2 more days.
Anyway, Mother, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Should I say what brings you here? This is your home. I don't need to. What brings you here?
Oh, my normal visits, just to see how you're faring.
We're fine, though.
Albert has found a new girlfriend.
A new girlfriend. Yes. I hope he means business this time.
Means business. He introduced her to me yesterday.
So soon?
Such a beautiful girl.
I can see you like this girl.
Oh, I like her so much. She is a nurse.
Mom, you truly like this girl?
Oh, yes. And I'm wondering whether you will have time so that we shop together when it gets to the wedding time.
Well, when the time comes, just let me know.
By the way, where is Ken?
He has traveled. He's gone to Takrady.
Oh, then let me spend some few days with you here.
Why not? This is your home. Huh?
So
don't go like mother, like daughter. Hey, yeah. Anyway, what would you like to eat?
Okra stew. Do you have snails?
Mom, I thought the doctor said don't eat snails.
Look, at this age, let me enjoy myself. What else? Please. Please.
Okra stew or soup?
Okra stew.
Okra, okay. Stew. Yes, add the stew.
The one.
Okay, you'll be ready soon, okay? I'm coming.
Also, go. You this girl.
We're living in a world where things are happening, where you have the good, the bad, and the ugly. A world where we're affected by the decisions we make and the actions we take. How we choose to live our lives is up to us, 'cause at the end it could be a blessing or a curse. The evil that people do lives with them, but the righteous will be blessed again and again. What goes around comes around. What goes up must come down. What we do now, someday we'll pay for somehow. Oh, life's what you make.
I'm always in the house. Where will I go?
But don't you feel bored sometimes?
Of course, sometimes I feel bored, but I read my Bible, magazines, and then the daily papers.
Well, I guess you're going with
Oh, well, good for you. And one thing that bothers me, Nadia, the way you young women dress these days. A married woman exposing your thighs, chest, your breast, and the back. It's not good.
Yeah, but my husband doesn't care. He doesn't complain.
You think so?
Yeah, he doesn't.
In our days, you can't expose your thighs. A married woman going out, no way.
But you know I'm always in the car.
So you get down from the car. When you go shopping, what do? You get down from the car. I mean, you better advise yourself. And then when you talk, I'm aware. How can you do that? To expose your waist. You're precious. A woman's precious is her thighs, her breasts, and the backside.
I'll just watch how I dress now.
Please. Well, this is an advice. You can take it or leave it. Well, oh dear.
Hello. Good day,
You're welcome.
Fine, thank you.
How are you?
Fine, by His grace.
Sit down.
Oh, thank you. It's okay. Yes, I can see you.
Well, now that your mother is here, I go to the room.
Oh, no.
I know once you are here, you won't have time for me. Talk. Let me go.
No.
Okay,
We want you to be part of it.
No, excuse me.
Oh, are you sure? I can see you feeling comfortable here.
Of course, Mom.
Too long. And I guess your mother-in-law is taking good care of you.
Mom,
To be honest, she loves me to death.
I see.
I feel so comfortable around her. I can't complain.
So where's your husband?
He's going to work.
Okay. Now tell me, anytime I come around, I meet your mother-in-law here. Is she going to stay with you forever? Or for just a little while?
Mom, she lives here with us.
She lives here with you?
Yes, of course, Mom. She lives here with us.
Why?
This house belongs to her. It was her husband's house.
Wait. Her husband gave it to her after the death of the husband?
Yes, and my husband is taking care of it.
He doesn't change anything. He still stands the same. That it is hers.
It is, Mom. That's why she's here. Mom, why? Why all these questions?
Now I know. We are not safe here. We need to talk in the room, okay?
What do you mean we're not safe here?
I need to put some sense into your head.
Mom, I don't like the way you're talking, please.
You don't know much in life. We talk later though. So, this house is hers.
Mom, it is her house.
I like it.
That's so nice. The same color like mine. Yeah. Mom, I want you to look, very young. Trust me. Yeah. I bet you would love to see your fingers. Do you like the color?
Oh yes, it's bright.
That's good. And I'll
Be
make sure
swinging my fingers and hands when I get to church on Sunday.
I'll make sure your hands are done every week.
Thank you, my daughter.
Legs, trust me. But do you like the color?
Oh yes. But you've shaped yours in a way. Well, a young woman's like a young man's toes, so I don't have to compare myself.
But if you want it the same like mine,
No,
do
don't worry.
it
I'm
for you,
okay with
sure?
this. I'm okay with this.
Okay.
Yes, I'm okay with this. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm happy. Yes. And the color is bright.
Like mine.
Yes. The same color.
So what are you doing Saturday?
Saturday, I'll be going to.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Mom.
The love of a mother and a daughter. I'm happy to see you two like this. See? Oh, I can see you are in a cordial relationship over here.
That's how it should be.
Daddy, I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's true. That's how it should be.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
But all the time, it's unfortunate some of the daughters look at us as witches.
You see, oh.
And they neglect us.
How can your mother-in-law be a witch?
No way.
I don't know what they think.
Children
God
of today.
forbid them.
Oh.
God forbid them.
Oh.
Blow the air.
There's one more. Let me
I'm
finish.
so happy.
Oh, sit down.
I'm enjoying what she's doing.
Oh, you sit down, sit down.
I will. I'm
Sit
just
by
enjoying
me.
it.
Sit by me.
But I don't think, Nadia, you will miss me a bit when I'm away.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yes.
You are the mother.
I thank you so much.
The
Mom.
mother. A mother is a mother.
I don't want to spoil your polish. I thank you so.
A mother is a mother.
I just put one more on top for you, mother. So
I like that.
Oh, sit down, please sit down.
Sweet,
Sit
thank
down,
you.
sit down, sit down, sit down. One family.
Oh yes.
One family. We do
Ta ta ta. Ta ta ta.
Very nice voice.
Nadia, you know I am your mother, and there is no way I can give you bad advice. I want you to send this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house.
Mother, what's wrong with you? And why are you talking like this?
You are just a child, and stop being naive. Now let me ask you, this woman owns this house, yes or no?
Mother, she owns the house.
Good. How many years have you been married?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yes, mother.
Un, deux, trois.
Yes, mother.
Bon. The last question. Combien des enfants toi? You looking at me? How many children do you have?
None.
Yeah. D'accord. Now listen to me carefully. I want you to know that this marriage is the only property you and I have in this world. So we have to do everything possible to protect it. Tu comprends? Huh?
No.
No?
No.
You don't understand?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me explain to you further. Ce moment, tu ne travailles pas. Et en même temps, tu n'as pas des enfants avec votre mari. You don't have a job and you don't have children with your husband. Look here, baby girl. The fact that your husband hasn't complained doesn't mean he will not complain. Very soon he will get bored and will start complaining. And knowing very well that blood is thicker than water, believe you me, baby girl, that woman won't stand by you. She will throw you out.
Mother. Mother. Why are you saying all these things to me? Why?
Okay. If you think it's a lie, keep on staying with her. Oh, keep on staying with her if you think it's a lie. I know very soon you come to me for help. But don't wait until it's too late. Okay, Nadia. Send this woman out of this house. Throw this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house before she throws you out. Okay. I'm leaving.
Mom, my husband does great work. I wonder how he manages.
How do you mean? No, what do you mean?
See, I'm talking about this work at the mines. Mom, it's not an easy task.
I know it's not an easy task, but since he is a responsible man, he has to take care of the kids as well as you. So?
Yes. You know, the day I went to his workplace, Mom, I screamed. The work is too dangerous. You know what? If something happens to him, I will die.
Look at it. Well, I know you love the man.
I do, Mom.
And he's been good to you, hasn't
I do.
I understand.
And he's an angel, Mom.
Oh, hello, Nadia. Hello.
Your in-law.
Yeah. Good. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hi, Nadia. They're fine.
Mom, I got this for you from the dressmaker.
Me? Oh, Nadia. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
I'm jealous.
No, look at you. Don't have to be jealous.
I
I'll give you
am.
one. Shabu, one.
No, how can I wear your clothes? How?
Say hello to. Hey, that's something.
How's your husband?
Grandma, I don't like that.
How's your husband?
He's fine. Yes, yes.
Were you leaving?
Oh no, it's hot inside, so we felt like. Anyway, since you're back, we can go back.
Let's go. Okay, Mama. All right. Okay. So. Yeah. So how's everything? Everything is fine, my dear. Yeah. You have to sing for me.
She can't sing, though. She can't sing.
Nadia! 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 Nadia!
Why are you shouting my name like that?
Why am I shouting your name like that? Are you aware you left food burning in the kitchen?
Oh God, did you turn it off for me?
Yes! Yes! Did I turn it off, right? You want me to come from office and turn on food for you?
What's wrong if you turn it off?
Is that what you're telling me?
God.
Is that what you're telling me? Why are you so irresponsible? Why? Huh? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Honey, come on, everyone makes mistakes. Why are you yelling at me like that? As if you're an angel.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Angel, yes, I am a white angel. If you don't know, I'm telling you. You want me to come from office and turn on food for you? I'm telling you, and you're telling me nonsense. What is wrong with you, huh? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how this simple cooking? Can't you do it? Be a housewife. Sit in the house, cook. You behave as if.
Why don't you cook for yourself?
You behave as if you're looking after thousands of kids in this house. I don't even hear the sound of a little baby crawling. Daddy, I don't hear anything. All you do is just sit behind mirrors and behave as if you are preparing for a Chinese masquerade.
Don't yell at me.
Shut up.
Why don't you cook for yourself?
Shut up. Listen to me. If you want to burn this house, tell me. I'll get you petrol and matches right now so that you burn the house. Get out. Get out.
I will not get out.
Nadia, you don't have to shout back to your husband this way. What is your use in this house? What is your use in this house? You don't have children. You don't work. And yet you can't handle things in this house. What is your use? You can't buy this house for me, oh.
Mommy, warn her, Mom. Warn her.
You want to burn this house down? Let me tell you, you can't burn this house for you. Well, you can't be using. How can you talk to your husband this way? Not again. I am warning you, not again. And you want to burn this house down? You can't. I won't allow you to burn this house down.
Thousands of kids in this house.
Look at her. What is your use in this house? What is your use in always my telly and mobile phone? What do you do in this house? What do you do in this house? Do you want to burn this house down? You can't burn this house down. You can never burn this house down. I have to talk, and I will talk. I will talk. What do you do? You don't have children. What do you do? You don't work. What is your use? What is your use? What is your use? What do you do in this house, Nadia? What do you do? Nonsense. The house belongs to all of us and not your husband alone, let me tell you. You can't come and burn it down for me. You live this here, always watching television, always by telly, either converse on the mobile phone, all time, nothing doing. You call yourself a housewife. Housewife, my foot. Nadia!
Mother, you know, you were right. Can you believe that woman sided with Albert yesterday when we had argument without even listening to my side of the story?
I told you, didn't I? Make her will. Oh, you what? I wasn't successful in my marriage because I wasn't cautious of my in-laws. Hey. Inshallah, we are going to get rid of her. Inshallah. Repeat after me. Get rid of her.
Get rid of her.
Beautiful. Now find something to do. Stop acting pretend and find something to eat.
Okay, let's continue. I'm not in the mood of eating it. I'm not hungry at all.
Don't tell me you're not hungry because of one woman who is going to be miserable like she's never been. Huh?
Mother, I'm childless. And that even bothers me more.
She insulted you with that too. Eh? She did?
Yeah.
Okay. I told you it wouldn't take time before she sent you out of that house. See? You leave everything to me. I will handle it myself, okay?
Okay, Mother.
Take it easy.
But, you know what's like worrying me so much?
What is it again?
I really don't want to lose my husband.
And I will personally kill you if you lose him. Just leave everything to me. I know what to do. Hey, this woman has bitten more than she can chew. Hey, I see.
Why are you so quiet? Baby, please, I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. Please, I'm sorry for yelling at you. Please forgive me. You know what, I had a very bad day at work yesterday. And I didn't expect to come home and meet such a thing. Please, dear.
I'll wait.
I know, baby. I know I've wronged you. Yes, I know, please.
You know, you didn't need to yell at me like that.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what is wrong with this boy. I just...
Come on, like, I know I was, like, responsible for that, but you didn't need to yell at me. How could you just yell at me like that? It's not fair.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll forgive you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love you, dear.
Love you too.
You know I cannot live without you. So what you cooking?
It's inside.
Inside? Then let's go! Let's go. Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Hey Albert, why that look?
I'm okay, dog. I'm okay.
I won't come to this house again.
Oh, please.
Then give me a smile. Anyway, from the test I conducted, both of you are perfectly okay and must have children.
Okay, so doctor, you're saying we're both okay?
Yes, you're perfect.
Then, if we're okay, why can't I get pregnant?
We ourselves, we don't even understand. But you see, such things are normal. I know of 2 couples who had the same problem, but in 5 years' time they had children. So just have hope.
Patricia, dog. Sorry. Now you're a big woman now.
Better respect.
Dog, listen, I don't know what else we should do. And you were saying medically we are all perfect.
That's right.
Then what is wrong?
You see, it can be from the result of stress or depression. All you have to do is to relax your mind, put yourself together, just be yourself, and everything is going to be okay.
You know me, I don't put myself under any hard work. I don't go under any stress. I don't do any big thing.
I know, I understand.
I can't even hear a cry of a single baby in this house.
I do understand your situation, okay? But it's normal. Just put yourself together and have hope, okay? Very soon you're going to have kids, okay?
You're saying it, dog. You're saying it. You know, when you get married, there's one thing that people expect from you.
Kids.
Yeah.
And look at me.
Hey, but hey, what happened to you? You used to be a very good shooter.
Oh, come over, dog. I'm a big man now.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, dog.
Anyway, how's your sister, Trudy?
You know, we are big now. We are grown-ups. She's in her marital house. This me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just managing life.
Oh, big baby, don't worry, okay? Everything will be alright.
You are saying it.
Very soon you're gonna have kids, okay? Trust me, it's a promise.
We're living in a world where things are happening, where you have the good, the bad, and the ugly. A world where we're affected by the decisions we make and the actions we take. How we choose to live our lives is up to us. 'Cause at the end it could be a blessing or a curse. The evil that people do leaves with them, but the righteous will be blessed again and again. What goes around comes around. What goes up must come down. What we do now, someday we'll pay for somehow. Oh, life's what you make of it. What you sow is what you reap. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. How are you living your life? Who and what do you believe in? Oh, we're affected by what